This Christmas season, many of our fellow Filipinos continue to face daily struggles, especially when it comes to putting food on the table. In our own simple way, we want to share God's love by spending time with them, listening to their stories, and giving a small gift that can help make their Noche Buena more meaningful. Join us as we talk to seniors and families in need to hear their voices, their hopes, and their experiences this Christmas season.
Mas matimbang po ba ang pagdiriwang ng Pasko kung mas madami kayong handa sa Noche Buena?
Parang mas masaya kahit walang handa.
Para kanya may saku. Di ada isulatan balasan ko.
Sama kay mapagsaluhan yung ban na yun.
Parehas din, no, handa, ay di masaya ka rin. Kung meron, di masaya ka rin. Masit onti may so, wala akong ibibili, di paano.
No, ngaruti igata.
Meron, pero hindi marami. Tama-tama lang.
Bibigay po kami sa inyo na for Noche Buena. Gift po. For us. From us.
Ay, alam ko giyaman na.
Kaunting tulong.
Dati nabasa ka Bible verse kaya yun. James 1:17.
Consider the spirit of giving
As a reflection of God's generosity.
with the best gifts coming from above.
Thank you very much. Thank you
Salamat. Sa interview nga. Paay ko tibag pagi.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Lala! Merry Christmas po! Galing po sa amin yan lahat. Thank you.
Sa init